Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set professional mode in your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on menu. Go to your profile. Here you can see 3 dots. Press on this. Now you can see here turn on professional mode. Click on it. If you want to set your Facebook professional, you just have to press on turn on. That's it. So this is how to set your Facebook professional. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.